Ring, ring, ring. Postman. Who this?
Cherry the worst. Alright, so boom, welcome back to my channel, you guys. If you're new, welcome. My name is Jerry, and today I'm doing my this is my third Christmas look. I've been posting a lot on Instagram, but I haven't really posted tutorials on here because I keep losing the damn footage. I'm at a point right now where I'm doing a lot of projects and I need a lot of space, and I just don't have the space. And so every time I do a project, for some reason the footage gets lost, but I'm gonna try to make sure that this one does not get lost, you know. So obviously this is Snowflake inspired. I'm extra today. I put on my little earmuffs because I'm really proud of myself, and I put on my little jacket. This is like my favorite little jacket for the winter. It's like this white puffer jacket. I know they come in different colors, but I really like this freaking puffer. But without further ado, I don't have anything else to say. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Tell me what you think about this tutorial, and let's get started. I'm going to try to refilm some of the looks that I already did, just to pop them out, you know, because I know a lot of you guys want to see those, and not everybody follows me on Instagram. So without further ado, I'm gonna stop talking. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy, and let's get started. So boom, we're gonna start off with my brows already filled in. I use my Colourpop pomade and my Milk Makeup Kush Clear Brow Gel and my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Creamy Beige as my base. If you've ever used Anastasia's Brow Wiz or their pomade, I suggest you guys try out the Colourpop pomade and their own Brow Wiz. I think they call it their Precision Brow. It's literally the same exact thing, except it's cheaper, you know, and it's amazing. It's like $5 versus that $20 mark for the pomade or the Precision Brow. First of all, like, I honestly just try it. It's really good. After my base is nice and patted down, I took my Colourpop pressed powder in formation, y'all, and I just started to, you know, blend that onto my lid. At first it was going to be an oval shape eyeshadow type of look, but I decided I wanted to add a wing to it, so I started to pull the eyeshadow outwards. But back to my brows for a second. Just wanted to drop a little bit of knowledge on y'all. Your brows look really nice on camera when they're filled in very thick, and they look thick on camera, but in real life, you know, it might look a little bit wild. So that's why I use my pomade when I'm filming versus when I'm, like, you know, on my everyday life, I use my Precision Brow instead. But now, you guys, I'm just darkening my crease area a little bit, giving it a little bit of dimension, if you would say, to my eyeshadow with my Huda Obsessions palette in Electric. And I'm using a small tapered little brush to do this because I like to have that defining factor to it. Then I took my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk, and because it's such a sticky base to it, I started to cut my crease with this as well. Obviously, I'm exaggerating my crease, so I am not looking up to figure out where my crease is at. I really love exaggerating my crease these days because I love that drag makeup type of look. I guess you can say I'm leaning more into drag makeup these days, and that's not necessarily a bad thing, you know, when you're doing as dramatic makeup as me. But yeah, I hate the negative connotation it sometimes comes with, because people always have, like, I don't know, people always say such weird things about drag makeup, but then they use drag techniques in their everyday makeup. So it's like, which one is it? Which one are you going to choose? You know, like, nonetheless, going back to my tutorial, I'm using that shimmery blue from the Huda Obsessions palette again, and just putting that on my crease just to give it that ombre look. I'm going back between all these blues and whites in my cut crease area just to ombre it out. It takes a lot of work to have a seamless ombre, and I feel like I somewhat accomplished it. I somewhat did it, you know. But after that, I started to pull my cut crease outwards to give it that cat eye effect, you know, with a darker blue, obviously. Then I took my NYX glitter glue and laid that down. I laid it down really freaking thick, you guys, because my problem with the glitter glue is not that it doesn't work, but I don't see where I'm putting it because it dries clear. And I just lose track of where it's at, so I had to put it on really thick. That way my brush and my lid catches the glitter, which is a good thing because it didn't fall onto my makeup. So yeah, like as you can see, it dried clear, so it's really hard to see it. That's why I had to put it on like that. Then I took some of the leftover concealer I had from shaping up my brows and kind of just cut my eyeshadow a little bit more, I guess, just to give it that seamless cat eye effect. Then because I felt like this look was really blue, I wanted to make it really, really frosty. So I took my Face Candy Unicorn Glow palette and this blue reflective shade out of it and highlighted my brow area with it, as well as made it my overall highlighter for my face. Then I took my NYX white liquid liner and defined my cut crease just a little bit. After that, because I got so much eyeshadow on my lashes, I had to put some mascara on just to coat them and make them blend into my fake lashes a little bit more. I used whatever lash mascara I had on hand, and then I took whatever lashes that I had on hand as well, because I didn't think it mattered just as long as it was dramatic. And then I finished up with highlighting. Like I said, I used a really frosty highlighter for this look, and finished up with a blush. I wanted to look very pinched, I guess. I just wanted it to look like I've been in the cold a lot, so I used my blush in Quickie from Milk Cosmetics, and I kind of overly blushed. I blushed my nose, and then I went on top of my nose with my highlighter just to blend it in a little bit more, and it gave that very flushed look that I was looking for. Yeah, that's the word I'm looking for, a very flushed look. After that, I just wanted to add a little bit of face design to this look, but I didn't know where to put the face design, so I was like, oh, you know, I got a little bit of eyebrow space. So I went ahead and added a small little snowflake on the top of my brow arch, and that really was it. This look was not that hard. The hardest part to this look, surprisingly, was the ombre cut crease, because it's so hard to make a cut crease ombre, especially with like really different colors. I don't know. But after that was all finished and done, I took my Laritzy Lippy in Nudes, and then I took a brown lip liner and just lined my lips. This is my favorite combo thus far. I was going to put on my Fenty gloss, but I was like, hold on. You did that for the last look. Let's do something different. And I left it matte. I left it matte. I loved how it looked there. And I am finished, you guys. I am done. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for this whole little Christmas series, and I will see you in my next one. If you guys have any suggestions, leave them down in the comment section below. All right.
Looks, I be giving looks, Fashion Week in New York and I just got booked. Looks, I be giving looks, Fashion Week in New York and I just got booked. Looks, I be giving looks, Fashion Week in New York and I just got booked. Looks, I be giving looks, Fashion Week in New York and I just got booked.